Welcome, in front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to update Windows on this laptop. To do that, you have to open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then scroll down this list and select Windows Update. Now, if you have any updates right here, click Install All right here. And if you don't have any updates, then click Check for Updates and wait until your device detects any updates. Of course, you have to be connected to the internet for it. As you can see, the update was detected and now it's downloading automatically. Also, go to Advanced Options, go to Optional Updates, and if you have any updates here, you can also hit the checkbox next to the one that you need and select Download and Install. Now, once the update will be installed, sometimes Windows asks us to restart our PC to apply changes. So if it does, then of course, if you get either if you either see the information that you have to restart your computer now right here, or if you get a notification in the bottom right corner, then of course restart your PC or set a restart timer. Now, if you want to update your Windows automatically, just hit this checkbox to the right, and this way you will receive all the updates every once in a while automatically. And that's basically how you update your Windows. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.